And, yep. Wondering why there's a pineapple sticker on my box. I don't know. Let's open it up and see if that has something to do with it. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Hope you're all having fun so far. Oh, do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. All right. What kind of monster? Oh, look at that! Oh, it's a rubber band. Wait a minute. Did you tape the rubber band? Okay, no, there's no tape on the rubber band. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, see that? Let's go invest in some of these clear rubber bands. All right. Well, that's cool. All right. I have one layer of protection and now 2 layers of protection. Oh, more rubber bands. Okay. Easier than tape. Not complaining at all. In fact, I prefer the rubber bands. Whoever this pineapple character is a good idea. All right. Oh, cool. We're going to put you right. Yeah, rubber band's in the way. And we are going to open this guy. Ta-da! Now, if only we had a Tom to go with Jerry and Tuffy. Pretty sure that's what their names are. So when we look at these guys, so just to tell you a story about these dispensers. Now, I've been following PEZ Dispensers, and I've been a big fan of these for a long time. Pretty much the whole time I've been following PEZ Dispensers. And these are some of the rarest dispensers as far as availability. Very cool. I'm sorry, I'm a little speechless. I'm finally seeing them in person. Unfortunately, though, this is how you have to display these dispensers. As you see, there's these little pegs. Yep. Oh, this is so cool! So these are the removable ears, Jerry and Tuffy Mouse. That's the way to identify them for sure, is you see the little pegs come through. So it's not paint on their ears, it's actually removable plastic pieces. These things, they are super, super rare. Oh. And now they are here on the PEZ book. So be sure, when you are purchasing a lot, to look for these guys. So cool. Oh, I'm just shaking in excitement. Well, thank you to the Pineapple Man for these really cool, very rare, very underrated PEZ dispensers. So until next time.